Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to crochet a cherry tomato keychain. You can use it as a keychain to decorate your school bag, or as a phone strap. It's suitable for both. Now, let's get started. We use red yarn and make a magic ring. Then we chain 1. Do not count this chain as a stitch. Here we make 6 single crochets in the magic ring. I have completed the first single crochet. I will use a marker to mark this first single crochet. Now we will continue to do the remaining 5 single crochet stitches. Here we got 6 single crochet stitches. We will pull the yarn to close the magic ring. Next, we do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And chain 1. Do not count this chain as a stitch. Then we do round 2. In round 2, we do 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch. For example, in the first stitch, we work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the second stitch, we also work 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Do 2 single crochet in the same third stitch. Repeat the same for the remaining stitches. By end of this round, we will have 12 stitches. I have crocheted to the end of round 2. We do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Then chain 1. Do not count this chain as a stitch. In round 3, in the first stitch, we make 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, we make 2 single crochets in same stitch. We will repeat this pattern 6 times. For example, we make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then in the second stitch, we make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. I have finished the first repeat. We need to repeat this pattern 5 more times. By end of this round, we will have 18 stitches. Here we come to the end of round 3. We work a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Then chain 1. Do not count this chain as a stitch. In round 4, we do 1 single crochet in each stitch. For example, we do 1 single crochet in the first stitch. We do 1 single crochet in the second stitch. Do one single crochet in the third stitch. Repeat the same for the remaining stitches. We will have 18 stitches when we complete this round. Here we come to the end of round 4. Then we do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And we chain 1. Do not count this chain as a stitch. Now in round 5, in the first stitch, we do one single crochet. Then we do a decrease. We will repeat this pattern 6 times. For example, in the first stitch, we do one single crochet. Then we do a decrease through the second and the third stitch. I have completed one iteration. We will repeat the pattern 5 more times. By end of this round, we will have 12 stitches. I repeated the pattern 6 times. We do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. We chain 1. Before we continue, we insert fiber fill. Now we do round 6. In round 6, we do 6 decrease. When we have completed 6 decrease, we will end the round. We do one slip stitch into the first decrease. We chain 1 and cut yarn. We use a yarn needle to hide the tail. Next, you will use green yarn to sew the stem of the cherry tomato. Here I need 3 cherry tomatoes. Then I will complete this cherry tomato keychain. You will need 10 small rings about 5 mm in diameter. Now, on the first cherry tomato, I will attach 1 ring. On the second cherry tomato, I will attach 3 rings together. And on the third cherry tomato, I will attach 6 rings together. After completing these, I will attach the first and second cherry tomatoes to the second ring on the third cherry tomato. Finally, I will attach the keychain.